turning a simple canvas into a peaceful nature scene. Watch till the end. First, I painted the background with a soft blue sky and added light white clouds. This part is optional, you can skip it. I was trying to create a different shade of blue, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted, so I redid the background. Making clouds with the help of earbuds. I love painting these tiny clouds, they make the sky look so cute. Then I started drawing thin green stems to create a natural wildflower field. The leaf turned out better than I expected. I extended some branches to the top corner to give it a natural flowing look. Now I'm drawing the small stalk that holds the flower. Next, I added tiny yellow flowers to make the painting look bright and lively. This is such a beautiful part. In love with this. And this is the final result, a simple and calming nature painting made by me. If you like simple aesthetic paintings, don't forget to like and subscribe.